I would have had probably the best video on my channel yesterday, but it was way too stormy and windy, and I decided not to record. And me and the boys caught some like absolute hogs of trout and landlocked salmon, by far the biggest of the year. So I'll insert some clips here now. .30 in the morning, a little inspirational message from Maddie, and we're on the way to Narrows. Yesterday was okay, it was just really freezing, like probably the coldest day I've been up there, so me and Colton had to get out of it early. Fishing was like honestly pretty average. There was nothing crazy, like the big dogs weren't in. I don't know, it's getting that time of the year where we might be hitting the tail end of the run, so we kind of needed to come up anyway and see if the run's still on. I hope she is, but yeah, I'll pick us back up when we get to the Narrows. Smile, Jake. I thought he was massive. Yeah. Another nice trip. Such a bad day at the Narrows. Say soon shutting off. Packed of people, holy shit, but nobody catching any amount of anything. Say it's the tail end of the run here now. We'll get into the cove fishing soon though, so I'm not complaining. This is not very small. I feel like it anyway. Feels like a nice trout. Feels like. I got beauty trout. Oh yeah. Barely hooked them too. He feels good, Kyle. Oh yeah, that's a nice trout. Got a trout. Oh my God. Lure same size as him. Feeding on the smelt is what they're going to eat, I guess. I got a nice trout. Smaller than I thought. What do you mean? Yeah, I know. He's not very big, though. Oh, my God. I thought he was okay. That's the cod jig I got on, man. It's definitely cove season. It's definitely cove season. The narrow shut off, so we come to our cove, which is usually how the schedule works. Narrow shuts off, come to the cove. And, oh, Matt, hold up your fish. It'll go almost 2 pounds, I say. Yeah. But, yeah, we're here in the morning. It's usually an evening thing. I say we'll be back in the evening very soon. The frig? I got a freshwater mussel.
What? Really? How the fuck is that even possible?
I don't know, but it happened. Dude, he like ate it too.
Really?
Yeah, like I swear to God, he just has one treble eight.
You must have ran over when he closed on it. Yeah, probably.
That's kind of crazy. Clickbait the video now. I caught what? What is it?
I'll take him.
He's still nice, Matt. Nothing wrong with him.
I'll take him, Matt, if you don't want him.
Trout or landlocked? That's a landlocked, yeah.
He's only small.
This is how you catches the trout. Is he good? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Nothing wrong with him. Just a couple solid 2-pounders here.
They're for the smoker. We're going to be eating large.
I can only imagine what the evening's going to be like.
Really, though?
Yeah.
We coming here this evening, Colton? I'm taking him.
That's my rod, my son. Yeah.
Fuck out. Say something.
Got a nice one? He's not bad. Pound and a half. Feel good? That's a trout. That's a trout. Nice trout. Yeah. Feel better? Yeah. Another nice trout. Oh, no, sorry, it's landlocked. Huh?
He's going back.
Going back, yeah. This is good. And where now? He's thick, I could keep him. But... Just come to find it. Good. It's a nice trout, Colton. Sorry, landlocked.
What do you think?
Skinny. You could.
I don't think he's big as the other one.
No, we're not. He's nice, Colton. Yes, sir. Was it big? Yeah. He's not even big. Frightening the crap out of me, old man.